Ayun guys, sir. Vlogging the Vinco. We're done to you. +2. Okay? +2 and connected to you my main channel, the Griselda.
The way watch kay Sir Lito kay mo.
Sir Rito, mabitad. Playing na sa'yo, Sir Rito. Mika Love Shoutout. Magandang hapon. Flora G, Sis Joy. Dagang salamat, Sis Joy. Vlogging. Ano rin? Vlogging in? Ano to ay?
Kasi ito taon si vlogging with
Bingko?
Bingko.
Ayan, yan magtatagal guys. High volume karaoke, videoke karaoke from the neighbor. That's the reason why we muted. Also, again. So, but anyway, our live is only 1 hour. It's already 1 hour. Thank you so much to all of you here. Thank you for your support. Sis Joy, maghang salamat. And to Sis Lola Beth. Alive Mix Vlog, Sir Lito Mabitad, Sir Wilson SG Mix Vlog. Alive Mix Vlog, ayan, sino pa ba nandito? With your alagad, Sis Joy, dagang salamat. Hindi na kayo magtatagal, guys, ang dami nito. Ayan, Earl John Music Vlog, ayan, tapos na kami, no? FBN, napulwas na, Sir Tindoy Channel, thank you. Lee Song Son, thank you so much. Korean TV, Sir Levy Minosa, Sis Jo Vlog TV. Disgusting, kanina dito siya, kanina Sir David Sheridan, Nino Salinas, Jim Salim, Sis Joy, Tuya TV, Ma'am Helen Sher, tapos si Earl John, si, ano sa kanimo, Agi, ay, di ko Eladio, thank you. So all of you, thank you so much, Sis Beth, maraming salamat, mag-end na kami guys, vlogging with Vinco, no? Ayan, namakapiray tayo, Sis Nino Salinas, Sis daw, Nino Salinas, thank you, Nello. Sis Judah, salamat guys. Thank you Sir William. Maraming salamat po ha. Sa ating mga newcomers, maraming salamat po. For now, bye na guys. Bye. See you. Thank you.